Welcome to the Yamaha Garage. Thanks for joining us today for some useful service information and technical tips on maintaining your Yamaha XT250 Dual Sport. Today's video is going to cover one of the most important and frequent maintenance tasks, how to properly check your XT's engine oil. The engine oil level needs to be checked, certainly after every oil change, but also make it a habit to check it before every ride. There are a few simple steps to checking the oil level of your XT250. Warm the engine oil by letting the engine idle for a few minutes in a well-ventilated area. While it's warming, check for any visual leaks. Of course, shut off the engine and correct the issue if there is one. When the crankcase cover is warm to the touch, the engine oil is warm enough to shut off the engine and begin the oil level check. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, and while you're waiting, plan to sit your bike straight up and safely secure it from rolling by placing it in gear and/or secure the front brake on with a strap around the lever and hand grip. You can always have a buddy or family member hold it up or just sit on it to help you out. With the bike secure and upright, look at the check window on the bottom right side of the engine. The engine oil should be between the minimum and maximum level marks. If low, adjust the level by slowly adding small amounts of Yamalube and continuously rechecking until it's raised to the correct level. If it's too high, carefully loosen but don't remove the drain bolt and slowly drain out oil until the proper level is achieved. It is common knowledge that a low oil level can cause engine damage, but too much oil can cause issues too, such as oil blow-by and leaks. Excess oil can also be forced into the airbox and can cause poor running and damage. So be certain the oil level does not exceed the maximum level mark. And remember, you should always check the oil level after the engine has been idling for a minute or two, then give it a few minutes to settle. Congratulations! You successfully completed a Yamalube oil level check on your XT250. Great work. Note that a Yamaha Technical Academy Gold Tech always cleans his tools and puts them back in order after every job. And one last important step. Always remember to dispose of the used oil in an appropriate, environmentally safe manner. You can either take the oil to your nearest Yamaha dealer recycling center or ask your local auto parts supplier if you can drop it off there. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the Yamaha YouTube channel for more do-it-yourself videos and technical tips. Now let's get out and ride.